Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to export multiple clips from same project in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia, import the 4 different clips you want to export. Drag each clip onto the timeline. Place the playhead between 2 clips where you want to separate them. Press Ctrl and M to add a marker. And here you can see the marker options. And drag this blue pointer at your main playhead. Then click on it. Here you can see it is marked. Repeat this for each desired separation point. And now if you export this, it will export it as 4 individual clips in your device. Click on Export. Click on Legacy Local File. Select Custom Production Settings, then click Next. Select MP4, then click Next. Now go to Video Settings tab. Mark these multiple files based on markers. Then click Next. Again click Next. Again click Next. Change file name and folder. Then click on Finish to start the export process. Once the export is complete, you will find the 4 individual clips in the specified export location. And that's how you can export multiple clips from the same Camtasia project. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.